Napansin mo ba ang mga post na nagsasabing maswerte raw ang ilang zodiac sign dahil nasa Leo na si Jupiter?
The stars have a secret, and tonight, one forgotten legend rises from the depths of the ancient world.
Hindi siya simpleng manifestation post. May astrological basis siya, pero kailangan natin siyang ilagay sa tamang context. Si Jupiter ang planeta ng growth, opportunities, wisdom at expansion at blessings. Kapag lumipat siya sa Leo, lumalawak ang mga tema ng Leo: creativity, confidence, leadership, visibility, self-expression, romance, at paglalabas ng tunay mong talento. Pero tandaan, hindi ito para sa isang sun sign lang. Mas malakas ang epekto kung may Leo placements ka. Malakas ang sun mo sa natal chart, may harmonious aspects ka tulad ng Sun trine Jupiter, Sun conjunct Jupiter o Sun sextile Jupiter. At higit sa lahat, depende kung anong house ng birth chart mo ang tinatahak ni Jupiter. Halimbawa, kung ang Jupiter mo ay nasa first house, lumalawak ang confidence, personal image at bagong simula. At kung nasa second house naman, opportunities sa income, resources at self-worth. Sa third house, communication, content creation, pag-aaral, writing at social media. Sa fourth house, bahay, pamilya, real estate at emotional foundation. Fifth house, creativity, negosyo, romance, children at artistic talents. Sixth house, work, daily routine, health at productivity. Seventh house, partnership, clients, business collaboration, at relationships. Kung 8th house naman, investments, shared finances, inheritance, psychological transformation. 9th house, travel abroad, higher education, publishing, spirituality. At ang 10th house naman ay career growth, public recognition, promotion, and authority. 11th house, community, networking, audience growth, long-term goals. 12th house, spiritual healing, subconscious work, inner wisdom, at pagtatapos ng lumang cycle. Kaya kapag may nakita kang listahan online, gawin mo lang siyang general guide. Ang tunay na astrology ay hindi lang zodiac sign. Birth chart ang nagbibigay ng mas malinaw na larawan. Kung gusto mong malaman saan eksaktong house dumadaan ng Jupiter sa birth chart mo, anong opportunities ang ino-open niya, at paano mo ito pinakamagagamit sa susunod na taon, maaari kang magpa-personal birth chart reading. Doon natin makikita ang timing at potential ng unique na para sa'yo.